Hello and welcome to the 21-day meal prep challenge. You will have lots of information flooding your emails. We'll actually send you about 2 a week, and you'll have a live chat as well. We will have that on Monday nights, and it will be recorded, so you will be able to go back and listen to it if you are not available on Monday nights. We've decided on 5:30 Monday nights, and only for an hour, and that's going to be 5:30 Central Time for all of you that are living outside of the Central Time Zone. Live chats, and that will include me and Brittany, your health and life coach, that's part of our team here. A little bit about me. I am Christie Brooks. I am a functional medicine practitioner, and I'm also a registered dietitian. I've been a registered dietitian for over 25 years now. I've got a book out called Root Cause, Turning Symptoms into Solutions. I've been in practice on my own for years, 23 years now. And I'm so excited about doing this meal prep online because I have a lot of clients that are a little confused about meal prep. So I'm going to cover lots of things with you with meal prep and throw in some nutrition tips. And of course, with a functional medicine perspective, I come from a let's heal as naturally as possible perspective. I do not discount medicine at all. There is a wonderful time and place for that, and I'm very thankful for that. But I do try to heal from the inside out as much as we can, and that is through food. Food is your first form of medicine. And here's my perspective. The Creator created your body, and He created the pharmacy of food for the body, and that's what I lean into. The herbs, the spices are very medicinal. The food, the phytonutrients found in the colors of food is very medicinal. I'm so excited to do this 21-day journey with you and throw in all kinds of different tips, and you'll get several links each week that you can print off if you want. Please keep this to yourself, okay? Because you paid for it and it is yours with our copyright on it. So please keep this to yourself. But you can print all that off if you want it and keep it, use it. There's going to be all kinds of recipes sent along with a meal prep chart. Can we define meal prep? When is the best time to eat? What's the best combinations? What's the best cookware? Do I store it in plastic or do I store it in glass? Is there a most way to get basic nourishment out of my food? We're going to go into all of that, and I'm so excited. So join us. Make sure you join in on the chat sessions. There's always people going to be posting things on the chat, so keep it up. Brittany and I will both be on there and try to monitor it between our clients, but we will be on there, and we'll be posting recipes. We are here every step of the way for you. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to meet you. So buckle up. Let's go.